Hello all, I welcome you all for this session on Gemba approach to problem solving. I am Dr. Manjunath, Director of N-Lanetics. N-Lanetics is a company which is into training and consulting, and we train people on Lean and Six Sigma methodologies. Today I am going to introduce you a very powerful technique called Gemba approach to problem solving. Friends, all of you know that today global competitiveness is very, very important for any organization to be profitable and to sustain in their businesses. So organizations have to continuously look out for improvement in quality, efficiency, and responsiveness towards the various requirements of the customer. So when you are looking at improvement, it could be continuous improvement where every day we can improve upon our quality, efficiency, and responsiveness on an incremental basis, which Japanese popularly call it as Kaizen. Or we also need to look at a continual improvement where some kind of a breakthrough improvement is required once in a while. So today organizations, to remain globally competitive, they have to be in search of both continuous improvement and continual improvement methodologies. Toyota Production System, which is a benchmark for global manufacturing practices, has also become a benchmark for even services sectors also. Basically, the Toyota Production System focuses on improving quality, reducing cost, reducing lead times, making the workplace more and more safer for employees, and also building high morale among the employees. So to achieve this, the Toyota Production System adopted what we popularly call it as Gemba-based approach for problem solving. First, let me explain you the meaning of Gemba. Gemba is nothing but the workplace, the place where the work is carried out. For example, if you are a sales person, then the field where you are selling the products is your Gemba. For a machine shop operator, the machine shop where he is working on the machine is his Gemba. For a design engineer working on a CAD workstation, the CAD workstation is his Gemba. So every employee in a company has his or her own Gemba. Now what is this Gemba approach? Basically, the Gemba approach is all about solving the problems by going to the place where the problem exists. So that's where we call it as go and see the Gemba where there is a problem. Now this Gemba approach to problem solving follows 5 golden rules. What are the 5 golden rules? The rule number 1 says, whenever there is a problem, go to the Gemba where the problem is occurring. Never take any decision or never look out for any solution based on your own assumptions and whims and fancies. The rule number 2 is temporarily fix the problem so that the output of the process is not getting affected. The rule number 3 is gather data about the problem from the Gemba. Rule number 4 is identify the root causes related to the problem. Rule number 5, find a permanent solution. And if you are able to find a permanent solution, the problem can be completely rooted out from your company and it cannot be a recurring problem in future. Suppose you have taken a solution which is only temporary in nature, the problem is going to repeat time and again. So the Gemba approach to problem solving relies on these 5 golden rules. Basically, the Gemba approach to problem solving talks about 3 G's. What are the 3 G's? The first G is Gemba, that is the place of work where the problem is occurring. The second G is Gembutsu. Gembutsu is the problem object. The problem object could be raw material. If the raw material is causing the problem object could be the component which is being manufactured, or it could be the machine or the operator, whichever is the cause and where the problem is occurring, whether it is in manufacturing process or a service delivery. Then Genjitsu. Genjitsu is nothing but collecting the facts about the problem so that the problem can be effectively solved. So Gemba approach to problem solving relies on solving the problem by going to the place and collecting the primary data and focusing on identifying the root causes by systematically solving the problems using various lean tools and techniques. And this methodology of problem solving can definitely help in improvements in the organization to a significant level. So the problem solving approaches using Lean and Six Sigma methodologies can take the organizations in long way in attacking 4 dangerous Ds. What are these 4 dangerous Ds? Defects in services or production activities, delay in deliveries, damage to reputation of the organization because of poor quality, because of defective products and services or delays. Then ultimately it is going to translate in profitability of the organization. So therefore you can drive away the drop in profits. So this is the advantage of implementing Lean Six Sigma methodologies, and Gemba approach to problem solving is a powerful methodology used in Lean and Six Sigma problem solving approach. For more details on Lean Six Sigma as well as any courses related to Lean and Six Sigma, you can contact us at nleanetics@gmail.com. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.